Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the presentation and preparing a safe copy. This prevents accidental data loss. Once done, enable editing if PowerPoint warns the file is read-only or blocked. Make sure Auto Recover is on so you can restore changes if needed. Also, verify linked assets, images, fonts are available locally or will be embedded. Otherwise, slides may shift. By preparing the file, now you avoid interruptions later and keep the original intact while you make focused edits. Now you edit slide content and layout with intent. Start in Slide Sorter to see flow, then open individual slides to adjust text, fonts, and alignment. Use guides for consistent margins. When replacing images or charts, choose Embed for portability or Link to keep file size down. Use Format Painter to apply styles quickly. Apply master slide changes if repeating elements need updates. Remember to preview in Slide, Show Mode to confirm visual balance, and readable font sizes on screen. Finish by checking transitions, animations, and timing so playback feels smooth. Once done, export to the required format, PDF for print, video for narration, while compressing media to meet file size limits. Make sure to run one full preview in Slide Show Mode. This catches stray animations or overflowed text. If something breaks, first reopen your backup copy, then inspect embedded fonts and linked assets. Finally, save a versioned file name so you can track changes and revert if troubleshooting becomes necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.